Hey everyone, welcome to Aastha's Makeup Closet where we wake up and make up for 30 and up. Today I felt like doing something that was a little grungy, a little more vampy, a little more goth, something that was, matte. And I hadn't used my melt stacks in the longest time, so I just wanted to do something really nice, deep and dark. So this is the look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please keep on watching. So this is the final look. It was quite easy to achieve. It's one of the easier looks to just try, and it gives very dramatic, very great results. Of course, you can pair it with a nude lip. I just wanted to go in for something a little darker. I don't know, I was feeling a little dark. so so this is my take on the goth grunge look. I love the gradation of the eye. You can call it a smoky eye as well. And the lashes are a little big for my liking, but you know, these are what I had at hand, so I just decided to put these on. If you like my content, please consider liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell. I upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I might increase the number of uploads, you know, because I'm filming more these days. I will let you know, but so far it's just Tuesdays and Thursdays. So this is me saying have a fantastic day and bring your dark on, you know. Sometimes it's just fun. And see you later. Bye bye.